some toxic ant roach spider killer from like 30 years ago. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. One quick reminder, there's a comment pinned below with timestamps, so you can hop to the video and view the portions most relevant to you. Today we have another product review and install. No install, just a product review. I would like to thank the sponsors of today's video, BougeRV. They have sent me a sort of trunk and frunk organizer. This is not specific to the Tesla Model 3. As we know, the trunk at least is just this kind of big open void space, and if you have a bunch of little items, they can slide around. There is that area beneath as well, but this can help you further organize your things. This organizer is available on Amazon. The link is in the description below, and I have a 20% discount code for you. Just use Tesla's Wild 20 at checkout if you'd like to order this organizer for yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to check it out, we're going to put it in the back, and see what kind of cleanup it can do. I'm going to try and make this video as quick as possible. There's not a lot to go over, but it is a really cool product. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you guys shortly. Trunk. I have my tennis stuff in the back. This is the organizer right here. We're going to get this all opened up, and we'll be right back with you. All right, so we have the storage organizer all opened up here. So as we can see, it's got some nice clips to store it in a small compact package here. So you can just unbuckle those and open it up. So it does have Velcro on the bottom to help it stop from sliding around. I apologize, it's pretty windy and it looks like it might storm here. But yeah, we can open this up. It also comes with an extra divider here that you can use to separate this in various ways. It also comes with a net storage that I don't know can possibly be used on the Tesla Model 3, but it could be used on other vehicles, and if you're creative, you could probably find a place to put this, but we're mainly going to focus on this guy. So one of the inserts is just a hard floor that you can insert into the bottom to keep this sort of structure rigid and not folding in on itself. So that's pretty nice to create like a three-way separator inside of here. So that's pretty nice. It also comes with this strap, I believe, to be able to carry things, so that's pretty fun. And as you all are wondering, that Velcro is pretty strong. It pulled that bottom off right there. It does fit down in the bottom of the trunk, and it will also fit in the front, but it will be smushed down a little bit. This is beautiful for groceries, milk, you know, if your frunk is full and you don't have those grocery hooks, this is perfect for it, just being able to set things in here. So let's check that out. Okay, so just to kind of demo some things, I didn't fill it all the way up here, but I do have a random assortment of things that I don't really want to spill over while driving. Just have a spray bottle of bug and tar remover, some cleaning wipes, a paper towel, some toxic ant roach spider killer from like 30 years ago. Same with this, another Raid bottle. But yeah, just a bunch of things that you kind of want to keep vertical. This will stop them from rolling around and actually keeps it stable in your back because they are secured to the floor, and then they have this divider holding them in place. So it is a really useful thing to have if you don't want things rolling around and everything else is full. So yeah, as I said, it's not Tesla specific, but it is a great product, and you get 20% off with Tesla's Wild 20. What better could you ask for, you know? All right, so there we have it. There is the organizer for basically any car, but from BougeRV. As I said, this is available on Amazon. It is $45.98, but you do have the 20% off discount code, Tesla's Wild 20. It's at the bottom of the screen and in the description below, as well as a link to the product. As you can see, it's really nice. It's a good quality product, and it really does help in the massive void that is the trunk of this vehicle. Like I said, it does fit in the front as well as the bottom of the trunk as well. It kind of gets squished in the front, but it does help if you just need to get things or stop things from rolling around, or you have a bunch of things that need to be organized and you don't want them sliding around in the back. It's perfect for groceries. It does come with a storage net if you can figure out how to use that inside of a Tesla. I'm sure somebody will. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next video.